Learn how to create these beautiful flowers using silk ribbon embroidery. Subscribe to HandiWorks and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos. The most common used ribbon width is 4mm. If you are planning on working a larger piece, you may wish to use wider ribbons as this will enable you to cover areas more quickly. You can use tapestry embroidery needle as well, especially when you are doing ribbon embroidery or loosely woven fabrics. It has a blunt end which is great for making weaving stitches. Fabrics with a looser weave such as muslin, cotton, Aida, linen, flour sack or Osnaburg are good. These fabrics have a lower thread count than what we might consider as appropriate for bed linens or sheets. Check out DIY Stitching YouTube channel for more stitching tutorials. The advantage of ribbon embroidery is that you can cover a lot of area with simple stitches in far less time and effort than you would with embroidery floss, but with greater impact and effect. Flowers can be embroidered on your clothes tastefully to enhance the look of the garment. Subscribe to HandiWorks and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos. Thank you for watching HandiWorks.